Hello, everybody. Welcome to CKAD Lab 60. Today, I have a very simple lab. In fact, I don't think you're going to get this in the exam. I don't even know if you need to know this for the exam, but as a Kubernetes engineer, as a person who's going to be called, certified Kubernetes anything, you really should know this. So the task here is to create two resources from one simple one YAML file, right? So here I have one simple one YAML file per pod. I also have another YAML file for a ConfigMap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cat these files into one and show you that it doesn't work like that. So let's just do c.yaml and then cat b.yaml to also c.yaml. And now I have two definitions back to back in, I think I had something with c.yaml already. So I need to look at that. So let's clear the first part that was already there. We don't need that. That's from the previous lab. So here we have two back-to-back definitions, pod and ConfigMap. If I try to apply, by the way, K is short for kubectl. If I try to apply this file, I'll get an error. It says something about unknown field spec. It's not clear exactly what it's complaining about, but you will see in a minute what the complaint is all about. So what you have to do is you have to put it a single line in between the two definitions with 3 dashes. That will separate out the two resources. So now if I do the same thing, it works. Kget pod and kget cm, both there. So again, the summary of this is if you ever have to read a file that has more than one resources, that the resources are separated by a single line with 3 dashes. And if you want to do the same thing, for example, if you might want to do a persistent volume claim and a pod that mounts that volume all in one file as one unit, you can do that just putting it all into one file, just having 3 dashes in the middle. So I hope you found this lab useful. If you did, please like and subscribe. That really helps me with the YouTube algorithm, and I will see you next time.